Hidden sugars in foods. Many of the foods and drinks we buy contain huge amounts of hidden sugars. Despite our efforts to give up sugar or reduce it to healthy amounts, we often consume far more than we think. Don't believe this statement? In this video, we will prove it. 11 foods that contain hidden sugars. 11. Orange juice. Orange juice for breakfast may sound like a healthy morning beverage, but each glass contains 4 whole teaspoons of sugar. Be careful with the orange juice. 10. Cola. We're sure that most of you love Coke and drink it often. But beware. One standard 500 milliliter bottle of cola contains as many as 11 teaspoons of sugar. You have to rethink soft drinks. 9. Ketchup. 100 grams of ketchup contains 22 grams of sugar, or more than 4 teaspoons. Remember that the next time you grab the ketchup bottle. 8. Bottled tea. Many people prefer to cool off with iced tea instead of water during the hot weather. However, a 500 milliliter bottle of iced tea contains about 42 grams of sugar, which is equal to more than 8 teaspoons. 7. Fruit yogurt. In addition to natural milk sugars, primarily lactose, yogurt manufacturers often remove fats and add white sugar. Without fat, it will not be tasty. So it is possible that 200 grams of fruit milk contain about 25 grams of sugar, or 5 teaspoons. Carefully read the contents when buying yogurt next time. 6. Hash browns. Just 100 grams of hash browns contain 32 grams of sugar, which is equal to 6.5 teaspoons. We're sure you know, but let's remind you, this is not a food that is good to eat on a high-fat, low-carb diet at all. 5. Hummus. It may not taste sweet, but 100 grams of hummus contains 3 tablespoons of sugar. Think twice next time you're in the grocery shop. 4. Barbecue sauce. Here we will surprise you. 3 tablespoons of sauce, about 45 grams, contain 3 teaspoons of sugar, 15 grams. Yes, that's right. 1/3 of the sauce's weight is pure sugar. 3. Granola bars. Although it sounds like something healthy, or at least that's how it's promoted, one standard granola bar contains 18 grams of sugars. That's 5.5 teaspoons. Don't be fooled and avoid them altogether if you want to eat the right way. 2. Breakfast cereal. Many breakfast cereals are promoted as being good for kids. We recommend that you avoid them completely because some of them contain a lot of added sugar beyond what they naturally contain. In a small serving of 32 grams, sugars can reach more than 15 grams or 3 teaspoons. The last meal will surprise you, we promise. But before we share it, if you find our shared knowledge useful, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications bell so that you don't miss additional great updates like this one. 1. White rice. In just 100 grams of raw rice, which is a handful, there are as many as 79 grams of sugars. That equates to almost 20 teaspoons of sugar. Skip the sushi next time. We surprised you, didn't we? Which of these foods and drinks we discussed shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments section. We hope this video got you thinking about hidden sugars. Next time you consider buying one of these foods or drinks containing hidden sugars, consider if it's really worth it. And finally, don't forget, in order to adhere to the keto diet and experience all of its positives, the maximum amounts of total carbohydrates consumed per day are as follows: 50 to 60 grams for women, 70 to 80 grams for men. However, carbohydrates in all foods are included here, so the actual amount for pure carbs is less than that. Take care of your body. It will pay off.